Well, hello guys. Good morning. It's happy weekend and it's coming to the Labor Day. Today I'm going to clean a commercial account. It's a quarterly account. I just got done through removing this dirt inside the gutter. You can see that. And this building is surrounded by gutters all the way to the roof. So just around it. Now I just set my blower there, then just remove the dirt that haven't been removed. And the good thing is it's hot today. I had some wind, and it's a good thing. Yep. After that, I'm going to clean this gutter and then start doing some soft washing inside this building. Of course, soft washing and pressure washing though. That's the walkway, and so is the entrance right here. And the pressure was that surface cleaning. So anyway, surrounding there. Right, you guys, thank you for following my page and check me out on YouTube too, because I have a YouTube channel. And if you haven't been subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe. I appreciate your help. And you can find me there, Marlon Mawang on South Florida Softwares. Right, guys and girls, my friends following me, I appreciate you guys. It's Sandy. Good to see you guys. Anyway, yep. Okay. You guys in the market for window cleaning this time. That fall's coming, just around the corner, because summer just finished, but still have some more raining. So yep, you guys need some window cleaning, help us out, give us a message on my Facebook page, South Florida Softwares, or call me up 357-9088. That is 357-9088. Of course, 239 is the area code. Yep, you get in the pressure washing too, or even you have a roof that very black roof that needs clean. Here you have a shingles. You have a new shingles for geocast magnet in there, slowly eating up your shingles. You have a roof anyway. Yep. And we servicing solar panel cleaning. So if you haven't been cleaning your panel since you have it, in residential it's supposed to be every 6 months, twice a year. So your solar panel will give you a generate 100%. Because if you haven't been cleaning your solar panel, then guarantee you it's not 100% generation. Give you so much energy, and that's really your heater is connected to your panel. You have a pool, guarantee you your solar panel is not going to give you 100%. And your energy that you're paying get more higher. So yep, I service solar panel cleaning, gutter cleaning, window cleaning, of course pressure washing. Have a call, guys, give us a call. I appreciate you guys, thank you very much.